Good morning students. In this video we are going to study proper fractions, improper fractions and mixed fractions. Students, in your previous class you have studied proper fractions, improper fractions and mixed fractions. Now we are going to recall these fractions. First of all, we are going to study proper fractions. Students, if in any fraction numerator is smaller than denominator, I repeat, if in any fraction numerator is smaller than denominator, then this fraction is called proper fraction. Now, some examples of proper fractions are 3 by 5, 1 by 3, 4 by 7, 11 by 15 and etc. If you observe these fractions, then in each fraction numerator is smaller than denominator. Here 3 is smaller than 5, 1 is smaller than 3, 4 is smaller than 7, 11 is smaller than 15. Means numerator is smaller than denominator. Therefore these fractions are called proper fractions. Now next, improper fractions. If in any fraction numerator is greater than denominator, I repeat, if in any fraction numerator is greater than denominator, then the fraction is called improper fraction. Now some examples of improper fractions are 3 by 2, 5 by 3, 9 by 7, 21 by 6 and etc. If you observe here, 3 is greater than 2, 3 is greater than 2, 5 is greater than 3, 9 is greater than 7, 21 is greater than 6. Means numerator is greater than denominator. Therefore, these are improper fractions. Now next, mixed fractions. A mixed fraction has a combination of a whole and a part. I repeat, a mixed fraction has a combination of a whole and a part. In other words, we can say that in mixed fraction, one whole number and another fraction number, and the combination of these two numbers is called a mixed fraction. Now, some examples of mixed fractions are 2 3 by 5, 7 1 by 3, 15 2 by 7. If you observe first example, in this example 2 is whole number and 3 by 5 is fraction number, and the combination of these two numbers is called a mixed fraction. Therefore 2 3 by 5 is a mixed fraction number. Now we can read these mixed fractions as 2 and 3/5, 7 and 1/3, 15 and 2/7, or we can read these mixed fractions as 2 3 by 5, 7 1 by 3, 15 2 by 7. In this way we can read these mixed fractions. Now we are going to study how to convert mixed fraction into improper fraction. Students, mixed fraction convert only in improper fraction. I repeat, mixed fraction convert only in improper fraction. Therefore, here we have to convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction by using this formula. If you consider this is mixed fraction, that is whole number and this fraction number. Therefore, first of all, we have to multiply this denominator and whole number, denominator into whole number, and this calculation is added by numerator, addition of numerator, and this calculation is divided by denominator. 5 into 2, in bracket we can write 5 into 2, addition of numerator and divided by denominator. First of all, here we have to solve bracket. 5 2s are 10 plus 3 and divided by 5. 10 plus 3 13, or we can write here 13 divided by 5. Therefore, in this way, we can convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. Here denominator is greater, numerator is smaller. Therefore, it is improper fraction. Now, if we take second example, 7 1 by 3. Second example. This denominator multiply to whole number. Therefore, here we can write 3 into 7 into bracket and addition of numerator divided by denominator. Now 3 7 ja 21. Addition of 1 divided by 3. 21 plus 1 is equal to 22 divided by 3. Therefore, 7 1 by 3 is converted into 22 upon 3 or 22 by 3. Therefore, in this way we can convert mixed fraction into improper fraction. Now we are going to study how to convert improper fraction into mixed fraction. Students, only improper fraction will convert into mixed fraction. Here we have to divide numerator by denominator, means 9 divided by 2. Therefore, we can divide 9 by 2. 2 4 ja 8. 9 minus 8 is equal to 1. Therefore, here quotient is 4, remainder is 1 and divisor is 2. Therefore, to convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction, we have to use this formula. Here Q means quotient, R means remainder and D means divisor. Therefore, we have to write whole number as quotient. Therefore, here quotient is 4. Therefore, here we can write 4. Remind this numerator as remainder. Therefore, here remainder is 1. Therefore, in numerator we can write 1 and denominator as divisor. Therefore, here we can write 2. Quotient, remainder, divisor. Therefore, 9 by 2 is equal to 4 1 by 2. If you check our answer, 2 4 are 8. 8 plus 1 9. Therefore, in numerator 9 and denominator same. If you take another example, that is 25 by 7. In this fraction, numerator is greater than denominator. Therefore, we can say that this fraction is improper fraction and we have to convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction. Therefore, we have to divide this 25 by 7. 25 divided by 7. 7 3s are 21. Remainder is 25 minus 20. 25 by 7 is equal to 3 4 by 7. If you check our answer, 7 3s are 21. 21 plus 4 25. Therefore, here 25 and denominator is same. Therefore, in this way we can convert improper fraction into mixed fraction. Students, I hope it is clear to you. Thank you and have a nice day.